Hello guys. Do you guys know where I am? Can you guys spot me? Maybe that dog could give you a little hint. What's up guys? Welcome to a new video. We did a 2.5k mile road trip, and you know the truck scene over here in Houston, Texas is crazy, and I was lucky to find a new body kit for the OBS. Should I wink?
Yeah, you already did.
It's our last day here. We're about to leave at 12 a.m. We have no clue what to do, so we're just at a dog park because we have two little dogs. But yeah, I don't know guys. I'm not gonna throw this on my OBS. I'm probably going to buy another one and throw this body kit on it just because I like mine naked.
What do you mean by that?
Like how he likes his girls.
Oh, no thanks. Girls, keep your clothes on. I don't even like girls. I like guys.
Why are you gay? You are gay.
Like, comment, subscribe. And once we hit 1 million subscribers, I'll give away an OBS. Oh, see. Look at all those body kits on the floor.
You see, you want to leave me here?
Yeah, it might take a while. Might be getting a new boyfriend here.
He's gay!
Alright, we can pick up an OBS body kit. Let's see if they have it or they sold it. Y estas.
Uno chiquito este y el gordito. Este es el gordito que no queda muy bien, pero te lo pueden trabajar en varios.
¿Y cuánto vale ese grill con la mexicana?
Este
La-
está 215 más 45 la...
Oh, ¿puedo comprar esto solo?
Sí, sí, claro. Es el último que tengo.
¿La puedo ver? ¿Qué es por un sticker?
Sí.
No, mejor no. Dang, I almost left with the lightning body kit. Imagine I said that. Oh. This dude, I paid for it and then he told me what it was for. And then I'm like, wait, I need a Chevy one. And he's like, oh, he thought it was a Ford. I was like, yeah, dude, I need a OBS Chevy.
So you bought it already? Or?
I paid $250 for something.
For something?
But I
Bring
didn't.
it out?
He said to wait a bit and then
Why?
he'll have his friend come out and bring it. What a nice guy though. Well, I see the guy. I just saw him pull up to the gas station somewhere. Hopefully the kit is alright. This is made out of fiberglass. The trimming is ass, bro. I'll get a little sand down. It's not too noticeable. Our plan was to replicate these. That's why we were gonna buy them, me and my cousin. Cook.
¿Local? ¿El local es este?
So nomás es el golpe este.
Sí, no.
Lo puedes rellenar con banda.
Está bien.
Oh, dos. Ok, hay dos.
Ese no rellena, no es mayor cosa.
Sí, está más feo ese. Ahí está.
Ese también no rellena. Le ponen poner bandos. De fibra de vidrio los dejan allá. Queda exactamente como casi la original.
So, estos nomás le ponen fibra arriba de uno original y lo hacen así.
Yo creo que tienen molde para fábrica.
Mm.
O sea que tienen molde,
Ajá.
hacen el molde y hacen el cascarón en la fábrica y ya lo rellenan con fibra de vidrio.
Alright fellas, a couple months later I've passed and I changed the plan on what I'm going to be doing with this kit. So when I first started the video, I was like, I'm going to be buying another OBS and throwing this on there just so I have two different builds. But honestly, if I do end up getting another OBS, it's probably not going to be anytime soon. It's going to be in a couple of months, maybe years, because I just don't have space for it. I have kind of like, you know, I got better stuff to worry about. I got bills and stuff. So we are going to be gifting this to my cousin because he is the one that actually wanted the kit first. I seen the kit, you know, but I was iffy about it. That's why I don't want to throw it on my truck. And he just really wants the kit on his truck. He's been trying to buy this thing off me. When I bought this, I was supposed to buy two of them. You know, one for him, one for me. But the guy only had one left. So I kind of feel like I stole that kit from my cousin because, you know, I had the opportunity, and if he was there, he would have bought it, but he wasn't there. So for graduated high school, Tony, yes, he's graduated, guys. Woo! Congrats, congrats. This is my gift from me to you. You ready for your gift, though? It's in here, bruh. Somewhere. Come here, come here. Come here, come here. Damn, my dude. I gave Alan a car. It's not a car, but... Alright. Is that tech?
Yeah. I already gave him my car.
That for real? Yeah. Oh, so he's taking a car too? Then he got a car. That's crazy. Alright. Come here, come here. Right here, bro. The body kit.
I swear.
Swear to God, bro. That's all
Oh
you.
my God, thank you, dude.
It's
It's
right.
so hard to find.
Yep. That's yours now, bro. That's why I was like, fuck, it doesn't fit in the S2K, it doesn't fit in here, and this shit didn't even start, so.
Did you expect it?
Low key, when he told me, I was like, no way, he's giving me the kid.
Nah, just fine, that's not it. Nah, just kidding. It is though. It is. That's for you, bro. That's for you, bro.
What about your truck? When will we come?
Alright, bro, we better load this shit up on the truck, and then, I don't know, when are you gonna put it on?
Well, once I get a step side plate, I need to paint.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh shit, I forgot. Yeah, too. But he painted his own shit, bro. It's cool. Alright, let's load this up, and I'll just show you guys when it's on the truck, probably in like a couple months or something.